Okay, hey, Macca here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tournament in Queensland Smash, as well as how to publish the results of that tournament. Today's video is brought to you by Twisted Palm, by Melee.co. Great beer. This is actually one that I drank yesterday. Anyway, Queensland Smash is the website that we put all Australian tournaments on. Okay, we can see upcoming, people haven't really been publishing. We've got BAM coming up. So if you want to submit your results so that it goes into the ELO, so if we go to competitive and we go to ELO rankings, and then if we scroll down here, we go to the best game, which is Super Smash Bros. Melee. So this shows the ELO rankings for everyone in the country. And you can also look at the state as well. So if you submit your tournament results, then it adjusts the ELO. So it's pretty cool how it does that. So I'm actually making this video for bad in Queensland, but I figured I'd talk generally as other people might find this useful as well. So in order to do this sort of stuff, you need admin access. So you need to have an admin account. If you need one and you're a TO and don't have one, then contact support on here to try and get one. So we're gonna go into admin and we're going to go to tourneys up here, and we're going to click on tourneys. Okay, there was recently a tournament called Big Boy in Brisbane. That's the one that we're going to submit results for today. If your tournament doesn't appear here, you first need to add it. So in order to add a tournament, you just go ahead and click add. You type in the name, you put in the region, the date of the tournament. The link will go through to if you have a Facebook event or something like that. And then if you have a tournament series, then you can go ahead and put that in and you just add it. Okay, but Big Boy's already added, so we don't need to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and open Big Boy, and I'm also going to go into Challenge and find the Big Boy bracket. So where are we? There's Sunday. Okay, Big Boy, we've got one here, and then we've got amateurs as well. So you can't submit doubles, only singles games. So also, if you use smash.gg, it doesn't work with that. You need to basically duplicate smash.gg into Challenge if you want to submit it. I think that's how it works at the moment. All right, so Big Boy here, let's go ahead and click on Import Challenge Bracket. We go ahead and click OK. We'll go ahead and copy the link up the top for the bracket. And then where it says challenge URL, we'll go ahead and paste it in. For the event name, this is like if you're going to say it's the main bracket or it's amateur bracket or pro bracket or pools or something like that. You wouldn't use the event. You wouldn't put Big Boy in here. It's not the event. It's not the name of the event. It's the name of the bracket. So I tend to use main bracket and amateur bracket. And the game, make sure you select the right game. Then we go ahead and click select event. And what that's going to do now is pull all of the players from Challenge and it'll try and match them up. So we can see Russell's been matched up. If they're matched up, you just go ahead and click save. Oro's matched up, Entice is matched up, Boonsong, Dozium. Most of them will match up. You get weird ones every now and then. Jackalanche, sometimes people spell his name wrong in bracket, people being me, and so I have to go and find him, but that's fine. Vietfam, Quib, Konza. Okay, so we can see Liam hasn't come up properly. So if it hasn't come up, I just go ahead and type it, and then I'll type Liam. And then that's just an easy way to find it. So go ahead and click save. Same with Jed. So go ahead and type Jed. Oh, whoops. And then that'll bring up Jed. Go ahead and click save. You can also show unmatched players. And so this is generally going to be new players to the scene. If you want, I can show you how to add new players as well. But if they don't exist, basically just leave it. But if they're new to the scene and they're coming regularly, then you're going to want to add them. So we've done the regular bracket. Now let's click here back to Big Boy Brisbane. So that takes us back to this page. We can do import challenge bracket again. And now we're going to find the amateurs one, and we're going to go ahead and copy that and basically going to repeat the process. So we'll paste in that. For event name, I'm going to use amateur bracket, select the game, and then we'll go ahead and we'll save these people. Whatlez, Dozium, Jackalanche, Konza, Liam we need to fix again. As you can see, it's super easy to do, super quick as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add these unmatched players. So let's just add Brush, okay? So if we go to tourneys and then we go to players, this is where we can add a player. So I can go ahead and add the player Brush, select the region, which is Queensland. Don't worry about the rest. go ahead and click add. So now, because I've already done it and I didn't tag brush, I'm going to go back into tourneys and I'm going to find Big Boy Brisbane. And in here, you can look at the results, you can look at the matches that happened, so you can see all of this sort of stuff. We're going to look at players, and you can see these tags here. So I've actually tagged these people. So if I wanted to tag brush, I would go ahead and click on this little tag icon, and then I can go ahead and find brush, which is there, and click save changes. I'll then close that, and I'll do the same for amateur bracket. I'll go ahead and find brush. I have problems like so let's say I made an error and what les I did wrong. If you go ahead and untag, oh, that did work. Sometimes I found it didn't work, but it's working at the moment. I was gonna explain something else, but there's no point because it's working. So let's just retag what les in that one. All right, and so that's basically done. So you want to do your tournament and you want to upload this before Thursday morning, so basically Wednesday night, because Thursday morning is when the ELO results are updated. So I'm recording this on Wednesday, so tomorrow these results that have happened at this event will now affect the ELO rankings as of tomorrow. So that is how you create tournaments, that is how you upload results to tournaments, and that is how you tag players as well.